Hey guys, welcome to Digit.in, and as you can see, we are at Microsoft Build 2017, and this is a Hololens experience that we have. So, Luis, right? Yes, can you please tell us what exactly is happening here in this demo?
Definitely. So we are working with a government agency that is primarily tasked with generating maps for other government agencies. One of their artifacts is generating a large book of maps. The whole point of this experience is to replace that large book of maps and give a unified experience that multiple government agencies can look at once for planning purposes for large national events.
Okay.
This also ensures that there's data consistency across agency and allows for data sharing, knowledge sharing, and things like that.
Okay, so the experience that we get when we put on the HoloLens headset is we see a national monument from the US, and we can actually just point and click and navigate, as the gentleman here is about to do, and actually navigate through the monument. So how does this help in the planning, or how does this affect the whole experience vis-a-vis a traditional way of building such a map?
Sure. This experience is slightly pared down from the full-on experience that the government agency will use. But in the full experience, the government agency is allowed to add and remove different data sources. So what they could do is, say, plot all of the police stations, all of the healthcare stations, all of the metro stops, all of public transportation, things like that, that will help the government agency understand where the crowd should go, maybe where a parade route should pass through, where to position security officers, things of that nature.
Okay, and how do you think mixed reality is helping such businesses that are into either mapping or into kind of, looking at large-scale things through the version of augmented reality or mixed reality? How easier is it making the job of planners or people that actually want to bring these experiences to people?
So the biggest benefit is reducing travel, right? So if I need to make a map or understand what the map of a country looks like that may be thousands of miles away, I can put on this device, get a first-person view of the actual environment, landscape, and geography, as well as getting a bird's-eye view of the map itself, so I understand where these landmarks are. This allows me to do things like line-of-sight analysis, analysis of different parade routes or different routes that VIPs might take.
Okay. And how accurately do you design these maps? As in, is it something that's pre-designed and given to use with the HoloLens, or is it something that you designed from scratch?
Currently, the map that we're using has been built by hand, designed from scratch.
Okay.
The future of this application will take in other data sources, something like Bing Maps, Google Maps, one of those types of data sources, to transform that data into usable data in the HoloLens, which will mean that you can say, instead of just being limited to Washington, D.C., like this experience is, you could say, take me to Denver, take me to L.A., take me to San Francisco, and all of that would simply be automatically generated for you.
And in this augmented reality world, you can experience places you've never been to before.
Exactly.
That's perfect. Anything else you'd like to share about this experience that I may not have asked?
No, I think we did a very good job covering it. Thank you.
All right, great. Yeah. Thank you so much.